Good morning, students. So in the previous class we discussed about the binomial theorem, but in this class I am going to discuss about the multinomial theorem. And so what is this multinomial theorem, and what is the difference between binomial and multinomial? In binomial there are only two variables we came across. Fine, we came across only two variables, whereas in multinomial we came across many variables. Fine. So let me write the heading here: multinomial theorem. Fine. So this is what multinomial fine. So for positive integer m, for positive integer m, the coefficient of x1 raised to n1, comma x2 raised to n2, comma x3 raised to n3, comma fine xt raised to nt, fine, is what? Is n factorial divided by n1 factorial into n2 factorial into n3 factorial, fine, and so on nt factorial. So it is what? Multinomial theorem. Fine. It is what the extended version of binomial theorem. So what is the difference between binomial and multinomial theorem is that in binomial theorems we come across only two variables, let us say x and y. Fine. But whereas in multinomial theorem we come across many variables. Fine. So how many variables are here? x1, x2, x3 up to xt. Fine. So let us solve one examples on multinomial theorem. Then we will come to know how this multinomial theorem works. Fine. So example number 1, I start with: in the expansion of x plus y plus z raised to 7, it follows from multinomial theorem that coefficient of x square, y square, I think z cube is fine, is that is x plus y plus z raised to 7 is equal to x square, y square, z cube. That is what? 7. It is 2 into 2 into 3. How much it is? That is 7 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 2 factorial into 3 factorial. So let me write 7, 6, 5, 4 into 3 factorial divided by 2 into 2 into 3 factorial will get cancelled. This 2, and this 2 will get cancelled. How much it is? It is what? 210. We got the answer. This is our first example. If I go for the second example here, it is x into y into z raised to I think 5. So it is what it is 7 upon 1 into 5. That is nothing but 7 factorial into 1 factorial into 1 factorial into 5 factorial. Fine. So it is what 7, 6 and 5 factorial divided by 5 factorial will get cancelled. The answer is how much? 42. This is what multinomial theorem. One more problem we will solve for the clarity. Third one, it is x cube and z4. So it is what? 7 divided 3 into 4. That is nothing but what? 7 factorial into 3 factorial into 4 factorial. So answer is what? 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial divided by 3 into 2 into 1 into 4 factorial will get cancelled here. 3 to the 6. So these two, this one. The answer is 35. Fine. This is how the multinomial theorem problems are solved. Fine. So again I will tell you the difference between binomial and multinomial. Binomial theorem we come across only two variables, let us say x and y. Whereas here we come across x, y, z and some more. Fine. So I think multinomial theorem is totally new concept to you students, but it is as good as binomial theorem. Fine. If you know the binomial theorem, multinomial theorem will not trouble you. Fine. Thank you, students.